Beyond Cool's back, and today we're going to do an amazing hack with poached eggs. I know that some of my fans have asked me when I'm going to do a video on poached eggs and the easiest way of doing it. This takes no more than 2 minutes to cook, and we're not going to use a pot of boiling water. Stay tuned and see what happens. So 2-minute hack. With poached eggs, you do need water, of course, even though it's a hack. 3/4 cup. It could be lukewarm. 1/4 teaspoon of white vinegar. And I want to keep it really simple. Everyone does have a measuring cup, most likely, in their house. Most have a cereal bowl. Corral, most likely. Any cereal bowl will work. There's 2 methods of putting, and we're going to do 2 poached eggs at once. We'll speed up the process, and this is a hack where you don't need to work too much in the kitchen for poached eggs, because you have to boil water, you have to make sure that it's swirling, then you need to be able to take it up utilizing a plastic spoon if it's a stainless pot, something like this. So now all we do is crack an egg, and the reason why I put it in here is that little bit of goo will not really form properly, and gently pour it in the water. If you don't have a strainer, then just use a little cup, or you can use another cereal bowl. There we go. And then we'll place it on the other side. And as you saw, when it went in, it wasn't as perfect. And it spread out more in the water because the gooey stuff that doesn't really belong in the egg with poached eggs, that stuff that you find at the bottom of your pot, is actually at the bottom of this plate. So we're going to put this into the microwave for 1 minute 20 seconds. If you like it a little bit more runny, you will do it for a minute, but that will be super runny. If you like it a little bit harder, you would do it for at least 2 minutes. So let's bring it to the microwave. So every microwave is a little bit different. So you will need to most likely play around with the time. I won't do it less than 1 minute 20 seconds. If your microwave is not that strong, at least 2 minutes. But who can do poached eggs in 2 minutes? That's amazing. So we're going to do 120 and then go from there. So it was in the microwave for 1 minute 20 seconds. I let it sit in the hot water for a minute. Remember, every microwave is different. I would first start off with 2 minutes on your microwave. Mine is pretty strong. I should use, as I mentioned earlier, this. But let's see the magic. Let me see if I can lift it up. There's the first one. Oh! No! No! Now I know why I should use this. Okay, here's the first one. And I have it upside down. Wow, that was a lot easier. But I want to flip it so you can see the front of it. It won't do it. So let's dress these up. A little bit of black pepper, something that takes less than 2 minutes. You know how much I love paprika. You need salt. I'm using Himalayan salt. And I like a little bit of fresh green onion. Again, all this stuff is optional. If you don't have green onion, you don't need it. And there we go. It is beautiful. Super beautiful and super nutritious. So let's cut these amazing poached eggs. Look, look. That's just the way I like it. That's beautiful. You need to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so. Leave a comment. Poached eggs, a hack, no boiling water, utilizing the microwave. Of course, I will try it. I'm going to take a big piece at the end. It's amazing. What amazing Beyond hack. Poach eggs in 2 minutes, and you can do it any way you like it for how runny you want it. Remember, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment. Beyond Cool saying ciao for now.